Tamper-resistant (TR) receptacles prevent unwanted objects from being inserted. High-impact resistant polycarbonate thermoplastic cover and body for long service life. Suitable for residential such as homes, apartments, condominiums, and for commercial use in corporate buildings, hotels, and restaurants that only require a 15A outlet. Shallow body design for maximum wiring, backstab or side options. Break-off plaster ears, yokes tabs. Installation instructions included. Outlet dimensions: 4.06 hx1, 31 inches lx1, 09 d. Use with ENERLITES wall plates for the best fit and color match. Part numbers 8821W standard size, 8821MW midsize, or 88210W oversize. Complies with 2017 NEC, Article 406. 12 for tamper-resistant receptacles. 15A 125 volts, 5 to 15R, self-grounding, 2-pole, 3-wire. UL 94, V2 rating, 1 year, UL listed. Material type: plastic, steel. Top reviews from the United States. Great value. These worked so well. Be aware that they are tamper-proof, so at first you must apply a lot of pressure to plug anything in. At first I thought they were defective, but they are not. Great value.